So yeah, this is going to be one heck of a transformation today. Hello beautiful wavy and curlies, and welcome back to another video, or if you are new here, hello and welcome. I am Wavy Girl Jessie, and here I experiment my hair so that you don't have to. Today we are going to be doing a full curly secret wash day and testing out some new products of theirs and reviewing them. Now I do believe that most of my subscribers are from the United States, so some of you may have heard of them and some of you may have not. They are a brand from the Netherlands, and I mean, they're quite popular in Europe at the moment. In today's wash, I'm expecting insane definition given my past results, in particular with their gels. They always give me really great definition, and I am hoping for volume, but let's be real, I never really expect any volume because that's just not the way my hair works. That's not the way it's set up. And I am really hoping that my definition lasts. The past few times I have tried their gels, but I've used another shampoo and conditioner from another brand, and the next day I've lost quite a lot of definition. So hopefully doing a full curly secret wash day, that'll make a difference, and hopefully we'll get some waves that last. Let me know in the comments how you're expecting my hair to turn out today, and we will see who gets it right. This is my hair today. Don't ask what's going on. So yeah, this is going to be one heck of a transformation today. Anyway, enough yabba, and let's go jump in the shower. Okay, so first up today we are doing a little deep conditioning moment. I quite enjoy this deep conditioner from Curly Secret. It's very runny, very liquidy, which is perfect for fine hair that can get weighed down easily. But even though that it is lightweight and runny, I do still prefer to do it before my shampoo, just to give my hair the best chance at getting any volume. So I just applied this from mids to ends, kind of worked it into my hair a bit, then I tied it up, and then I left it tied up while I shaved my legs. On the bottle it says to leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes, so I did probably leave it in for 5. Then I took it down, added just a little bit of water to it, and then went into detangling. I've used this deep conditioner a few times before, and I have really enjoyed it in the past, but today I'm not sure why. It was really difficult to detangle my hair with it, despite my hair being saturated in product. Like, there was a lot of product in there. The bathroom was like a slip and slide. My hair was really dry, really tangled, and for some reason this deep conditioner wasn't really doing that much for my hair today, unfortunately. Now we're going to be using their deep cleansing shampoo. This is clarifying, and this is my first impression. I haven't used this yet. This was a clear consistency. It was very lightweight, very runny. I loved this shampoo. It's not very often that a shampoo blows me away, but I thoroughly enjoyed the experience of this. This product is definitely my favorite smell out of all the products that I've tried of theirs so far. It lathered really well. It spread around really well. Loved it. She was good, and I did not feel like it dried me out. To massage my scalp, I am using their scalp scrubber. I love the hot pink color. It is a gorgeous bright pink, and the bristles are very sturdy. This is the sturdiest scalp scrubber that I own, so this may be an issue for people with a more sensitive scalp. You might want to opt for a more gentler scalp scrubber, but for me personally, I didn't mind it. It did a great job at scrubbing. This scalp scrubber is definitely going to be my go-to on wash days when I'm feeling a little bit itchy, and I think that this scalp scrubber is perfect for people who get a lot of build-up. I do not own a Curly Secret conditioner yet, but I do own the leave-in and their hair milk. The leave-in is definitely a thicker consistency, so that's why I decided to condition with that today. And the consistency is very jelly-like. It reminds me of the Mix Chicks Kids conditioner, which is quickly becoming one of my favorites. I applied this to my hair, and it was already feeling promising when I was applying it, and I just tied it up while I washed my body. I thoroughly enjoyed using this leave-in as a conditioner. It was really easy to detangle. I literally had nothing to detangle, honestly. It melted away all of the knots that I still had in from the deep conditioner, and yeah, the brush just glided through my hair. Now I am adding a little bit of their hair milk. I'll be honest, I'm not a fan of the smell of this one. I'm just applying a little bit of this. This is very kind of lotion-like, very milky, runny. I'm just applying a little bit of this, focusing on my mids to ends. Another thing to note with the Curly Secret products is that they are very concentrated, which means a little goes a long way. You don't really need a lot. That's good as well because their products are going to last you a while. I couldn't really tell if the hair milk did anything to my hair, unfortunately, because the leave-in left my hair feeling amazing, that there wasn't really anything to judge how the hair milk was performing. To style today, I own 2 of their gels and their foam. So I think for today we're going to do a little gel foam gel. First, we're going to be using their curl defining styling gel, which is a medium hold. Something that I love about their Instagram account is that they include informative posts about their products, and they do have a post which I really enjoyed comparing their 2 gels and how they differ from each other. So definitely go and check that out if you're wondering which one would be more suitable for you and if you're unsure which one to get. Now I'm adding their foam, and it's weird. I like the smell of the foam on my hands, but then once it's in my hair, I don't like the smell. Can't describe what the smell is. I'm sorry, I'm no help. It reminds me of something, but I can't put my finger on what it is. On previous wash days that I've used this foam, I have found as well the smell to overpower other products that I've been using, which I haven't really enjoyed, obviously, because I don't like the smell. I don't know if it's just the past few weeks or if I've always been like this, but I'm starting to wonder if I am sensitive to smells. I haven't seen anybody else complaining about the smells, so it could just be a me thing. I'm not really sure. I apologize for the change in lighting. I have been plopping for longer than I kind of would have liked to. I prefer to plop for just like 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So now I'm going to add their Curl Enhancing Styling Gel. This is with flaxseed and hemp seed oil. This is their Stronger Hold Gel. Again, remember their products are concentrated, so I'm really not going to use that much. My hair just loves flaxseed gel, and usually I'm too lazy to make it, so I love finding gels that contain flaxseed. Okay, so off camera I am going to go and wet my hands a little bit after adding the gel and just kind of scrunch a little bit of water back into my hair, and then I will go straight to diffusing. So far my hair is looking quite shiny. We're very defined, and despite the fact that my hair is still wet, we've got some really good definition going on. In the shower I was really pleased with how it was looking. I will go and diffuse and we'll be back. It'll probably be even darker by the time I come back. Anyway, see you guys in a bit. I think my hair is dry. I have a light cast at the minute. Okay, so what do you think? How do you think it's looking? Let me know in the comments down below. My ring light is making my hair look really shiny, but actually in person my hair does look kind of dull. It doesn't really have much shine to it, honestly. My definition is really good, but I feel like we're already dropping. As for volume, as suspected, I mean, we are a bit flat. We don't really have much going on in the volume department. I think at the back you can definitely see that I have some spirally waves in there. So far I am quite happy with this wash day. I think the real test will be how it holds up overnight and how it is looking tomorrow. Can you see? We kind of already have some frizz going on. I mean, it's not necessarily a bad thing. Overall, I did really enjoy this wash day. There are some products that I enjoyed more than others. First of all, one thing that I'm not really a fan of with these products is the smell. I do like the smell of the shampoo and of the hard hold gel, but other than that, I'm not really a fan of the other smells in their products. They smell kind of very artificial to me and a bit too strong and overpowering. My favorite product so far is the shampoo. The scalp brush as well, I really enjoyed. The leave-in as well, I really loved that one. And the rest of the products, I mean, we will judge tomorrow, depending on how my hair's looking and how it holds up. Here is my day 2 hair. It is about 5 p.m. the following day. There's like a bit of shine here and there, but I mean, we're kind of looking a bit dull and a bit dry. My hair is a little bit frizzy, but I don't really mind it. I think it kind of adds to the volume. Well, I say volume, we're looking a little flat, but for me, this is voluminous. I would say the definition's kind of held up quite well. This is kind of a typical day 2 hair for me. Let me move right in front of the window. Look how different it looks in direct sunlight. Like here it looks great. Let me know in the comments what you think of my wash day today and how you think it held up today on day 2 hair. As for the gels, I do enjoy them. I think I really need to experiment and try them each by themselves just to see how they perform like that. Back to tired and blind Jessica. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. And remember, whenever you are thinking about buying a new product, don't base your decision on just one review. Make sure to do your research and read or watch a number of reviews and then make a decision based on those reviews and on your own hair. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss when I drop a new video every single Friday, and give this video a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye. Okay, I think it doesn't look good because I haven't got my glasses on. Can't see into the damn camera. Okay.